Two Dutch nationals and a German citizen have died following a suspected hantavirus outbreak aboard the MV Hondius, a Dutch cruise ship operated by Oceanwide Expeditions. The ship departed Ushuaia, Argentina on March 20, 2026, heading for the Canary Islands via Cabo Verde, carrying a total of 147 passengers and crew. Africa, CDC. As of May 4th, the World Health Organization confirmed 7 cases, 2 laboratory confirmed and 5 suspected, with 3 deaths, 1 critically ill patient, and 3 others reporting milder symptoms. According to WHO, the illness was characterized by fever, gastrointestinal symptoms, and a rapid progression to pneumonia, acute respiratory distress syndrome, and shock. This is not just a story about one ship. This is a story about a virus that science is still working to fully understand. So, what is hantavirus? Hantavirus is a rare disease typically caused by exposure to infected rodents' urine or feces. It is not new. It has existed for decades, lurking quietly in the wild, carried mostly by rodents like mice, rats, and voles, with humans catching it by accidentally coming into contact with those animals or the spaces they inhabit. CNN. The virus attacks the lungs and kidneys, leading to fatigue, fever, headaches, chills, nausea, and vomiting. About 10 days after infection, people start having difficulty breathing as their lungs fill with fluid. Time. In serious cases, this can escalate to a condition called hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, a life-threatening respiratory illness with a fatality rate that can reach 30 to 40% if untreated. There is currently no specific antiviral cure. Why is it spreading now? The critical twist. Here is what makes this outbreak especially alarming, and why scientists are paying very close attention. While most hantaviruses spread through contact with rodent feces, urine, or saliva, officials have now confirmed that the type found on the cruise ship is the Andes Hantavirus, a strain known to spread between people. That's right, human to human. Andes virus may be transmitted by droplets among close household members, or in this case, passengers confined together on a ship. According to Time magazine, scientists are asking, how could a disease mainly spread by rodents appear on a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean? Experts suggest 2 possibilities. There may have been rodents on board the ship, or passengers became infected during excursions in an endemic area. Also, Time magazine confirmed the clustering of cases among travelers in a confined environment has warranted heightened vigilance and further investigation to determine the source and mode of exposure. According to the Africa CDC and the global response, the world is not sitting still. Authorities from Cabo Verde, the Netherlands, Spain, South Africa, and the United Kingdom have initiated a coordinated international response, including case isolation, medical evacuation, contact tracing, and ongoing laboratory testing. WHO laboratory confirmation was conducted at the National Institute for Communicable Diseases in South Africa, with further sequencing and metagenomics analysis still underway. The WHO currently assesses the risk to the global population from this event as low, but stresses it will continue to monitor the situation closely. Should you be worried? Here's what health experts want you to understand. 1. Hantavirus is not like the flu or COVID. You cannot catch it by simply being near an infected person in most cases. The Andes strain is the rare exception, and even then, transmission requires close, prolonged contact. 2. If you are traveling to areas where hantavirus is endemic, particularly parts of South America like Argentina, Chile, and Brazil, avoid contact with wild rodents and stay away from areas with signs of rodent activity, such as droppings or nesting materials. 3. Watch for the symptoms: sudden fever, severe headaches, muscle aches, vomiting, and difficulty breathing. If you develop these after potential exposure, seek medical attention immediately. The hantavirus outbreak on the MV Hondius is a reminder that nature's smallest organisms can pose some of the greatest challenges to global health. Confined spaces, international travel, and a rare strain with human-to-human transmission potential created a perfect storm on the open ocean. The investigation is ongoing. The world is watching. And science, as always, is racing to stay ahead. Stay informed, stay prepared, and stay safe.